In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to get leads. Google Forms is a versatile tool that allows you to create custom forms for various purposes, and today we're focusing on how to leverage this tool for lead generation. To start, you'll need to head over to Google Forms. You can access this by typing Google Forms in your search engine or directly going to Google Forms if you have the URL. Once on the platform, you'll see the option to create a new form. Go ahead and click on that to start crafting your lead capture form. Begin by giving your form a title. Consider something catchy like, "Get your free consultation today." This title isn't just for aesthetics. It sets the tone and purpose of your form, enticing visitors to engage. Next, it's time to think about what information you want to collect. A good starting point is to ask for their full name, followed by their email address and phone number. These are essential contact details that will allow you to follow up with these leads later. To do this, in the form editor, you'll find fields where you can type in these questions and format them to be required so that no one can submit the form without providing these crucial pieces of information. Now, we're going to add a multiple choice question to gauge what specifically your potential lead is interested in. Click on the option to add a new question and select multiple choice from the question type drop-down menu. Now type in "What are you interested in?" as your primary question here. You might want to provide options like free consultation, free guide, ebook download, and other. Please specify. Adding this question with tailored options can significantly help in categorizing your leads based on their interests, which can then inform how you approach each contact. Once your questions are set, it's time to adjust the settings of your form. Click on Settings in the tab. Here, you can configure various form settings, including editing the form submission response. Under Presentation, you can personalize the message respondents will see after submitting the form. Something like, "Thank you for signing up. Our team will get in touch with you soon. Don't forget to check your email for updates," adds a welcoming touch. Having customized your settings, be sure to click Save. And when you're ready, publish your form by hitting Publish. Go ahead and click Copy to get the link, which you can then share wherever you're drawing your leads from, whether it's on your website, social media, or email campaigns. Before anything else, it's always a good idea to test the form yourself to make sure everything is working smoothly. Input your own name, email, and phone number, select an interest option, and click Submit. With these steps, you're ready to start using Google Forms to gather leads effectively. Whether you're aiming to expand your contact list or invite more people to experience your offerings, Google Forms is an excellent tool to consider. Thank you for watching.